how dare they? I mean, this is an attack on that child. This is bullying that child. You know, we hear the left talk about this euphemistically, this notion of freedom of choice. No, believe me, this has nothing to do with choice. This has everything to do with removing freedom of choice. That's what we're talking about here. People's freedom to choose, to self-determination, to choose how they are going to deal with personal, very close personal issues relating to their sexual attractions, same-sex attractions. How dare they inject themselves into the rights and the freedoms of choice that those individuals
And that's
hold. Exactly
what they want to do. That's what Senator Luce said his intent was, to take away the rights of the parents. If you have someone that is molested by the likes of a monster like Jerry Sandusky, you know, that individual taking advantage of these young boys and sexually molesting them when they were trying to place confidence in him, he then abused them. So you have some boys like that have that kind of thing happen to them, and they begin to experience self-anger and hatred and self-esteem, emotional issues, relationship issues, and begin to have this same-sex attraction kind of situation that develops as well, that they didn't have before, that started after this molestation. So you put them in counseling to try to help resolve that. Where is it coming from? How do you deal with it? And so forth. They want to not act on them. They are religious or moral in their value system. They want to go with those, not with these same-sex feelings that they've got. That boy will not be able to get that kind of a counseling. The parents will not be able to provide it. How, incredibly audacious, and how dare them to come into a situation like that and hurt this young boy, this family, even more so, and take away the religious liberty and free speech rights of the counselors who want to provide and are capable of providing that kind of counseling.
But it's worse than that, because this law says that the abuse has to continue. They have to continue to abuse that boy by affirming and saying, you must embrace
don't worry
these
about
dysfunctional
your,
attractions now. This disordered attraction.
It's your religious and moral values that's the problem. That's what will happen under this law.
It's unbelievable.
Don't worry about your confusion. Just go with it. I mean, they will harm that boy even more, or that girl even more so.